Hey guys, it's Jasmine and thank you for clicking on my video. And if you're interested in how to make these super delicious and super easy blueberry muffins, then just keep on watching. Alright, so first we're starting off with a bowl with some flour, sugar, and cinnamon. And all of the measurements will be down in the description below. And we're just going to whisk that all together really well. And then we're going to take some melted butter. And we're going to add that into our flour, sugar, and cinnamon mixture. And we're just going to mix that up with a fork until it crumbles like this. And this is going to be our crumble for the top of our muffins. Alright, now we're taking another bowl with flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. And we're going to whisk that together really well too to make sure it's all combined it. Then we're going to take some sour cream and we're going to pour some whole milk into that. And we're going to add in some vanilla. I use Madagascar vanilla. And then we're just going to whisk that together really well to make sure all the lumps are out of the sour cream and make sure it's nice and smooth. Then we're going to pour that into our dry mixture. Now we're going to add in some vegetable oil. And we're going to take that bowl and we're going to add in 2 large eggs. But first you want to make sure you whisk those eggs together. Right, then we're going to pour those eggs into that bowl as well. So we have our dry mixture with our wet ingredients, our oil, and our eggs. And we want to fold this together gently, guys. And like that. Now don't mix it all the way up, just mix it about 3/4 of the way. Then we're going to take a cup of fresh blueberries and we're going to add in a tablespoon of all-purpose flour and we're going to mix that together. Alright, then we're going to pour that into our mixture and then we're going to finish mixing everything together. And you don't want to see any flour pockets or anything. Just fold everything together very gently. Now I'm taking a 6 muffin pan and I'm going to add in some muffin paper cups. And I'm taking a nice big ice cream scoop and I'm going to scoop the batter into each cup evenly as possible. Alright, and you see I'm all done here. Now we're going to add on top our crumble top. I'm sorry, no we're not. We're going to add some extra blueberries on top first. Alright, now we're going to add on our crumble topping, okay? And make sure you're using all of this crumble topping, guys, because the crumble topping is what's going to add sweetness to our muffins. The blueberries is the star of show of these muffins. Alright, now we're going to bake these muffins for 28 minutes on 350 degrees Fahrenheit and we're going to broil it for 2 minutes. Then, voila, we're all done. As you see them, they look so good. They're nice and brown. I got that nice crispy topping, nice and brown around the edges. I just love these muffins. They look like fresh bakery muffins. They taste very fresh. What I love about these muffins, they taste like muffins, guys. You really taste the blueberry. It's not cakey, sweet. It's just a nice muffin with a nice sweet golden topping with a nice, crumble topping. The crumble topping is my favorite. I love crumble streusel topping. And these muffins are just absolutely moist and it's just unbelievable. So I hope you guys enjoy and I'll see you next time.